MotoGP champ Marc Marquez is very fortunate to be alive. He just crashed during a practice run Friday, and the scene was horrifying. The 28-year-old was heading around a turn at a high rate of speed during preparation for this weekend's Dutch TT in Assen, when all of a sudden his bike bucked him. A lucky escape for Marc Marquez 93 on Friday afternoon at Assen, astonished face. The Spaniard somehow walked away from this vicious high-side collision. #DutchGP, Netherlands, pic.twitter.com/9kr5yangob. MotoGP, checkered flag, at MotoGP, June 25, 2021 at MotoGP. Footage from the track is absolutely terrifying. You can see Marquez was thrown feet into the air while his motorcycle skidded across the pavement underneath him. Marquez eventually crash-landed into some gravel, where he rolled several times before sliding to a stop. Somehow, though, he said he avoided any sort of serious injury. "I have to say I feel lucky to escape in a good condition overall. These kinds of crashes can be very hard and very dangerous," Marquez told media members afterward. "It's painful, but nothing is wrong. It was a strange crash because I didn't think that I was over the limit and I was riding like I was in the morning." Marquez continued, "In this corner we rely on the traction control a lot, but it wasn't there, and when I shifted the rear started sliding and then I fell." If this all sounds familiar for Marquez, it's because it is. Remember, just last year in July, he broke his arm in a similar accident in Spain. Scared face, at Marc Marquez 93 will undergo surgery after this horrendous crash at Jerez. "We wish the world champion the very best in his recovery. Flexed biceps, #SpanishGP, Spain, pic.twitter.com/BosumDo70fg." MotoGP, checkered flag, at MotoGP, July 19, 2020 at MotoGP. In that crash, Marquez was thrown from his bike in nearly an identical fashion. The superstar champion in the MotoGP world missed the rest of the year recovering, but he finally made his return to the circuit just weeks ago.